Hey everybody, Crystal here. So in aromatherapy, there are a lot of different methods of application, and one of the ways you can utilize essential oils for finding balance in your life is through an aromatherapy inhaler. And a lot of people aren't sure exactly what that is. They'll think of like an asthma inhaler or something different. And I'll mention a Vicks inhaler, and sometimes people know what I'm talking about, and sometimes people don't. So this is what it is. I want to show you what it is here today. It is this little tube. This is the lid. And what happens is a cotton wad in here has your aromatherapy blend, your synergistic blend for whatever you're dealing with inside of here. And then you're able to just twist that cap off and just waft it underneath your nose, taking deep breaths. So that's basically, in essence, how it's used. You don't have to sit there and put it directly up in your nose or on your nose. You don't have to touch it at all. And so you can carry that around, and it's a pretty nifty tool to utilize aromatherapy. I hope you like it.